Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to finish up our series on the Buffalo. This one is the luxury line. Not one I play a lot, but probably should. Because I've seen people have some really good luck on it. We're going to play the 2-cent denomination. And we'll start out at the $1.75 or $1.50 and see what we can do from there. The Buffaloes are good to us, better than the other Buffaloes. Then we can move up from there. Okay, let's see what we can. Okay. I got some music blaring in the background, and I don't want YouTube to be screaming at me, so I'm gonna see if I can talk over it and see if we can play. There we go, two more, one more even. Okay. A few eagles there. Couple buffaloes. I just want to see if I can get into the luxury line and see what we can get. Might move our bet up a little bit if it's nice. So there's 75. Okay, got our bet back. I just want to see if we can get into that 3 buffalo or 3 coins into the buffalo and see if we can do that. But I'm not sure if we can. One more. Okay, not. There we go. Start anything. Okay, we'll move up a little bit. Go 320. Come on, Buffalo. Train. There's a train. Nothing to go with it though. Okay, let's see if we can get a whole screen of buffaloes all the way across, and that would work out really well. Or even some multiplied there. Come on. Oh, crap. Those were some nice numbers. Anything? Come on. Nothing. I just can't win for trying today. And there's a star and nothing to go with it. I'm not sure on this one. Okay, got a couple buffalo there. Buffalo on the end, but nothing buffalo throughout the center of it. Couple eagles. Come on. We can do it. Buffaloes. Come on. Where's the train? Where's my train? Come on, this is going to be a short video unless you can give me something. There we go, we got some buffaloes. We needed one more. Get buffalo all the way across, but for some reason, no go. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Come on. One more. Nope, can't even seem to snag a train when I need it. Come on, trains. Okay, there's a few buffalo. We're dwindling down very quickly. I don't want to change denom. Let's go 5 cent. 3.75. Maybe we could do something here. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to reach in the saddlebag if we're gonna do the 5-cent denomination. Seems like I've been doing that a lot with the buffalo lately. Like I said, it's one of those you can do really well or do really bad. But I'm hoping to do really well. Hit that subscribe button, ladies and gentlemen. That usually helps me out. I usually hit something big when someone does. Okay. Come on. Wake up. We've got some 10s. It's warming up a little bit. Got a couple buffalo. Needed one more, but take what we can get. $5.50. Okay, got some elk there. Boy, stubborn trains and stars even. There's buffalo are showing up, but just not in a row. Not in order. Some queens. Let's see if we can get anything at all. Man, a lot of buffalo is just no trains, no stars. One more would have been nice. Wow, it looks like every single one of these buffalo machines are beating me up today. All week, actually. There's some queens, cougars, kings. Okay, let's see what else we can do here. Come on. Last minute redemption here. Last one. Not enough, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for stopping by DalePaulSlots. This was a short one. It just didn't want to seem to give anything today. But please hit that subscribe button and may your slot be hot.